Hello, dear colleagues. In this picture, you can see something that looks like a tower, a castle. But in fact, it's a template for successful lesson planning. It will help you prepare lesson plans incredibly quickly and achieve your teaching goals easily. Let's begin. Hello once again and welcome to the channel ESL Games and Teaching Tips. It's a channel for teachers of English who like using games in their classroom and who are looking for innovative ways of teaching English. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and switch on the notification bell to stay up to date with my future videos. Well, we teachers get paid for teaching hours, and no one pays us for the time spent on lesson preparation. So the sooner we can get ready for the lesson, the better. But I've often heard from the teachers that they spend a lot of time on lesson preparation, and sometimes the number of lesson preparation hours exceeds the number of hours they actually teach. So don't do it. Listen to the secret of successful lesson planning. Teach from the bottom. Plan from the top. To understand how this rule works, have a look at this tower. It represents lesson stages. You can see numerous windows, but you can't enjoy the wonderful view from them unless the door is open and you can come in. And it's impossible to reach this door if there are no stairs. The door is high and you should first go a few steps up. This tower represents the correct order of lesson stages. We start with hello stage, then pass over to revision, present the new material, and give enough opportunities to practice. That's the way we teach. We teach from the bottom. But when it comes to planning, you should start from the top. The top is the place where you want your students to arrive. Happy students, happy teacher. And the first and most important question you have to answer is, what is the aim of the lesson? What will your students be able to do by the end of the lesson? So step number one, aim. For example, to learn the meaning and remember how to spell 10 words on the topic animals. The second question you have to answer is, how are you going to make sure that your students have achieved this aim? You need some proof. This is the test stage. You can find interesting ideas for this test stage in my ebook Teach Without Stress. You can test your students with the help of vocabulary box, students' dictation, a door check with flashcards, or use exercise box. Question number 3. What activities can help students achieve good results in this final test? So think of 3 or 4 activities and put them in the correct order. You see, from the easiest to the most challenging. In this ebook, you can find 20 plus games for kindergarten kids, and in this ebook, you can find games for school children. So don't forget to check the link in the description box. Question number 4. Presentation stage. You should decide how you are going to present the new words to the students. It can be a cartoon, a song, a presentation with flashcards, PowerPoint presentation, YouTube video, or you can play the sounds the animals produce and students guess. Question number 5. How am I going to make students believe that they are doing great and are ready for new challenging tasks? The answer is simple. Let them boast of what they already know. Prepare one revision game. It will give them a chance to show their knowledge and feel more confident. And the last question that focuses on the very beginning of the lesson is, How am I going to make them want to interact with me, to listen to me, to trust me? Hello stage is vitally important for building rapport. Never ever skip it up. If you start your lesson with a revision, only the smartest students will be able to make this jump and follow you, but most of the class will stay one step behind. They will not listen, they will not understand, they will ask silly questions and misbehave. You can find numerous techniques and teaching tips on classroom management and building rapport in this ebook. You can find the link to it in the description box. Use these techniques to grab your students' attention and make them follow you. So remember the rule: teach from the bottom, plan from the top. Aim, test, practice, presentation, revision, hello. That's all for today. I hope you will enjoy every moment of your lesson. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, share it with your colleagues. See you soon!